Drug molecules identified in the lab are taken through a series of tests before they are administered to patients. These tests determine that the drug is safe for use by human beings and that it provides positive clinical outcomes for patients. Typically, it takes 12 to 15 years and over $1.5 billion to get a drug to the market and into our hands. So how does the drug get from the lab bench to your medicine cabinet? In the discovery phase, thousands of scientists across the globe search for targets that are associated with the disease. These targets are usually proteins in our bodies or on microorganisms that play a crucial role in the progression of a disease. Once this target is identified, life sciences companies look for ways to modulate the target to stop the disease from getting worse or even prevent it. As part of preclinical research, thousands of compounds that modulate the target are screened using both in vitro and in vivo testing methods before a single molecule is identified as a potential cure. These studies provide information on effect and toxicity. All these findings are assembled and presented to regulators for permission to proceed with clinical development of the drug. Clinical trials are conducted in 3 phases. In Phase 1, the drug is administered to 20 to 100 healthy volunteers or patients. As this is the first time the drug is given to humans, the main focus is safety and pharmacokinetics. Phase 2 trials are carried out on 100 to 250 patients and focus on drug efficacy and dosage determination. Phase 3 trials involve 300 to 3,000 patients and focus on confirming the effectiveness of the new drug and monitoring its side effects. All the data captured from the trials are standardized, analyzed, and compiled into a dossier for submission to the regulator. The regulator reviews the drug to ensure that it is safe and effective prior to approval. Once the drug is approved by the regulator, it is manufactured under highly regulated conditions before it reaches you at your local drugstore. Even after approval, the regulator requires sponsors to regularly monitor and report on the effects of the drug on patients for as long as the drug remains on the market. Sometimes, Phase 4 trials and non-interventional studies are initiated post-marketing to gather additional data about the efficacy, safety, and any additional benefits to the drug. So the next time you pop a pill, take a second to think of the time, effort, and investment that have gone in to ensure that you live a better life today.